Hello, Dahlings. It's Melissa, and I have great news. I went into Illustrative Math, downloaded one of the PDFs, put it back into Adobe Express to check the translate feature, and it worked. I think the random PDF that I was using just had things in there as images, so it wouldn't work. But the good thing is that your curriculum does work. Let me show you. First, I went into my IM curriculum to find a resource that could be downloaded as a PDF. Next, I uploaded that PDF into Adobe Express. Notice how these objects are now text boxes and not images. I need that for translations. Now I can go to my translation button and choose my languages. And voila, it's that easy to make editable, translated documents in Adobe Express.